everyone, this is Amy. Welcome today to my channel. Today is going to be another video making something from essential oils, and this is something new, a new project that I'm doing because I have become very interested in the oils and ways to use them. But what I would recommend is, before you get into this, check with your doctor and make sure that it doesn't interfere with anything that you're taking as far as medicines and that type of thing. Treat these with respect because they can be dangerous. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask or ask your doctor before using these. This today is going to be a spray to put on your bedding each night just to help you fall asleep. Now again, this is just something you can try. It's not meant to be anything more than a fun video to show you some different recipes that you can do with essential oils. Okay, and make sure too that you keep this out of the hands of children. Again, these oils are strong. No matter what essential oils you use, treat them with respect because they can be dangerous if you're not using them correctly. Alright, so in this recipe, first of all, it calls for a 2-ounce bottle. I am using a bottle that I bought off of Amazon. It's an amber glass, 2-ounce bottle. And then witch hazel, which I just purchased this off of Amazon also. And then, once again, I purchased my Gaia Lab oils off of Amazon. I'm going to use lavender and frankincense. Now, if you want to make sure that you're not going to react to this because you are going to be laying on it, you might want to spray a little bit on the inside of your arm just to make sure that you have no reactions to it. But that's, a suggestion before actually using any oil is to test it. Once you've mixed it with a carrier oil of some type, or carrier meaning like water, some type of oil, or like the witch hazel, something like that. Some of the oils can be put on your body neat, which means that it's without any kind of oil. Majority of them though really should be used with some type of oil. And again, test it on your skin on the inside of your arm just to make sure you aren't going to react to it. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. And I do have a little funnel. This is just an old funnel that I had. You might want to try to find a glass one because you're using the oils, but that's up to you. The original recipe that I was following, actually recommends using 10 drops of oil, or actually 20, I believe. I'm just going to use 5 of each. Sometimes it's better off to start off with a lesser amount and then add to it if you need to, or you can actually just use one oil too. I'm using the two together, but that's up to you. Alright, so I'm going to put 5. That's the lavender. If you want to just use just the lavender, that's fine. There are other ones too that you can use that are good for resting. And then I'm going to use 5 of the frankincense. Some of them come out quicker than others, so be cautious. And I'm just kind of mixing them around a little bit. And you can do, I'm typically used to doing the oils first. You actually could put the witch hazel in first if you want. I'm going to go ahead and add it now. And I got to be careful because once you start getting it full, it can fill up very quickly and it overflows. So I'm just using my funnel. And I'm going to get it up here pretty high. Yep, did it good. Amazing. I don't normally do them that easily. Alright, so I got the bottle full. I'm going to go ahead and put my lid on. And then what I recommend, anytime you create a spray, or whether it's something to use around your house for cleaning purposes, or to spray on your body, your sheets like this one is going to be, or you can just spray it on your pillow too if you want. But anyhow, I would recommend, you know, shaking before you use, just to make sure that it's still, you know, mixed and not separated or settled. And you can do this with water. Distilled water is recommended if you're going to do this with water. There you have it. Then, like I said, you can spray your pillow, you can spray your sheets, your comforter, whatever, and it should help, you know, give you a calming scent, help you relax, and hopefully get a better night's sleep. Again, these videos are just meant to share recipes with you for fun, but again, make sure you check with your doctor before using any of these, because these are serious. You know, once they get on your skin, they go into your body. So you need to make sure it's not going to mix with any medicine that you're using, and that your doctor is okay with you using these. These are just for, you know, just things that you can try to help you get a better night's sleep, or to go sleep faster, or just relax. And again, they're just for fun. Alright, thanks so much for stopping by. I do appreciate you viewing my video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those down below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Prior to leaving, if you would take a moment to share this video on your social network with your family and friends, I would greatly appreciate that. Until the next time, please stay safe and healthy, and you have a good one.